Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install WhatsApp on a Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 4. To carry out this process, it is necessary that you have already linked your Galaxy Watch to your mobile phone, as you can see in the link above. The first thing we will do is enter the application manager of our Galaxy Watch. To do this, move the bottom area up, then click on the Google Play icon. To go faster, we will look for the application. To do this, click on the upper magnifying glass icon and then put the WhatsApp name. Use the magnifying glass icon to search. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once it appears in the results, we are going to click on it and then we will install it by clicking on Install. We wait a bit for the download and installation of the application to take place. Once finished, we can click on the Open option. We will see that a code is displayed on the screen. When this happens, we will go to our linked phone where we have WhatsApp, since it will ask us to confirm the process. Once confirmed, we will have to enter the code that appears on the smartwatch. Once we confirm the code, we can continue the process from the watch and we will see that our WhatsApp conversations are loaded. Also, if we open the application panel of the clock, we will see that WhatsApp already appears as one more. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.